OKFM 101.7.
Okay, enti Akuapem Poloo bana papa no ye friend Rashid Yakubu o se owo ho Akuapem Poloo man krofo efele se oni ho onhwe akwada no ohu akwada ne pa owo ho enti sesi a no obema obi ehu se wo ho efibra Akuapem Poloo nya case a okọ court na police for the wakosra no
mebesa ne team ana mebesa ne mame a almost young baby I didn't know. My friend, one of the guys now. Nepa no fa. Anopa we many ni mami and I get on the free. Thinking say ni mami ni kasa. Obe like obo kasa we obe catch and say oh many Rashid Ponam. But mama nanka. Oni get on the kasa we no na okati call no. Oh enti in person, I don't want to involve myself, and because
right. So I'm finding it difficult to, excuse me to say, trust you. About social media, so say Akuapem Poloo be court today say ne trial be basu date say it was all over. And if you care for Akuapem Poloo, I want na war or court no crampo. Show up. Money who say Chief Papa Rashid Bema menene wo ye wate se menya asem nyese wo ska wo de bebo an kra but solidarity say wo ba abecheche ni re you didn't show up and you are saying say wo friend ni team social media da so. What are you telling us, Rash?
Thursday no me coffee honom ko honi mami ehu akwala no ana me mani mami say no one said the following morning no Friday no me call court no me call bi one country and to me ba no Ghana me friend like on fan or friend me enemy bon komo Musani say my friend is on fire so now I busy into after I was some chair I want so much chair mobile and I'm so okay now me say ochina e see court ye court into we be say ochina no pa me so me court ni bi also permission ba me are just also permission yes also permission and me forget it ba oboko hwe bi abeye ye by Monday and I'm so okay just had the idea. Let me just back off.
Mami freestyle na me full lines into Rashid. Mami freestyle. Oh yeah, rapper. I say interview no tension. That come on flow because we will be our guy. Mami freestyle kakra na me full lines into. Let's go, Rush. Oh yeah, rapper che.
Me be a chepa.
Oh, why is a great? I bet you say my favorite gun rapper.
Oh, why is yo?
Okay, go freestyle. Just go freestyle. No beat. Yanko.
Hey. I make slow pay. You started talk to me anyhow. But if I buy car, pay pressure, be foul. Don't envy. A be anami na me bow. You be my boy into send me nyasi car, me che pound. And now say me tobi bia, me tobi ama, me de me car, be fa wa ma wati ye better sound. Na say wo wa dream fina wo ni me na ma, wo be jirao. Bra, ka feel rough because I'm something else. Enye ntro, he to me dani na enye agro. My account full loaded. I swear, bro. I pack fresh evoke. Kelso more call. Chicago da in Libo Obetro. Yabi Ibra. Baron. Solash. Chada. Always they stand with the man in the dollar. So each and every day I they cash out. Money talk. Big man know they talk loud. And that be why I be like El Chapo. I they kill my enemies around me with sasso.
Wow! Rash Poloo. That's What's your new name? Rash Poloo. I give it to you. Take it. I give it to you. Take it.
Okay.
I say your new name be Rash Poloo. Oti Rash Poloo, baby. Akuapem Poloo, ba ne papa no. Or your artist. Rash Poloo. Rash Poloo. Rash Poloo.
OKFM 101.7.